Namaskar Mandali, welcome back to a new video. So currently I am in Bengaluru exploring new places. So today we are going to visit one of the most famous places in Bengaluru, Nandi Hills. Nandi Hills or Nandi Durga is situated in Chikballapur district of Karnataka, which is around 60 kilometers from the main city Bengaluru. Sultanpet is the base village. From here we can trek to the top. The trek is easy and it will take just 45 minutes if you go non-stop. History tells that Nandi Hills was developed by Ganga dynasty in 11th century and it was one of the forts of Tipu Sultan of Mysore. The height of this hill is 4,849 feet, which is 1,478 meters from the sea level. Most people come here to experience the breathtaking sunrise. It is said that Nandi Hills is the origin of 5 rivers: River Arkavati, Papagni, Poniyar, Pena and Palar. There are groups of monkeys who will be welcoming you and are always ready to snatch your food. On the top, there are KSTDC hotel rooms and restaurants from where you can enjoy your meal above the clouds. So that was the end of the video. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep loving, keep supporting, and keep traveling.